Hello guys, if you want to be able to download the reels, videos or the stories from your Instagram, so let me guide how to do this. As this is a new update from the Instagram and currently this is not available for everyone. So don't worry, I will show you exactly that how to do this without using the third party app. So first of all, you have to just open your favorite browser, like I am using the Chrome browser here. And here you have to just search for a website which is named as Finsta. Doing so, you have to just click on it and then you will find a lot of the websites here, but you have to just click on the first one which is named as Instagram video downloader. So perfectly, we are here at this website and you have to just paste here the link of that video that you want to download from the Instagram. So I have to copy the link of that video. For this you have to just open the reel that you want to download and then click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then click on the link. You can see that the link has been copied to your clipboard. You have to just again open this website and then paste the link here. Doing so, you have to just click on the search and this will take a while. You have to be patient. So after completing the processing, you can see that the video is here. You have to just click on the download option here and you can see that the file has been downloaded and it will directly save to your gallery. You can check it from your gallery, like I just opened my gallery and you can see that it has been successfully saved in your gallery. So by using this method, you can download your videos, reels, photos, DPs, stories and highlights from your Instagram without any third party app. You have to just copy the link of that desired video or the photo and then paste here and then download from here. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.